All right, we got a 1998 Toyota Tacoma, two-wheel drive, just a basic extended cab. It turns on and everything works, but they previously tried to break into, as you can see. Not to mention I need to replace the door locks, but I found online that this actual, I forgot what the name is called. It's like the ignition, key tumbler or whatever. It's not the whole assembly. It just goes in here. It's the ignition, the key ignition switch. And to remove that, you have to have the key in order to turn it. And there's a hole right at the bottom, right there. You push in and the whole thing comes out. So what I did was, it was already messed up as it is, where you couldn't fit a key. They put a screwdriver in here. This lifts up and tells you when you left the key on. But so what I did was, got some drill bits, started working my way up a little bit, not too far deep, but I think I'm at 3/8 of a drill bit. But as you can see, I didn't want to go deep. I just kind of drilled around here, so this is separate. Once I did that, I was able to turn it to where, try to do this one hand, this pin comes up. So just no, one pin. Alright. So as you can see, this part right here, instead of the whole assembly, is only 30 bucks. So I just saved myself $200 doing it this way. And as you can see, I didn't damage anything in there, but everything works. So now I finally get to drive this car and actually put money into it to make it look decent. All right guys, hope this video helps.